I'm glad to present the My Choice software designed by INRAE in France. It is designed to support collective decision in food chains, as well as in any multi-stakeholder context. My Choice is a web application. During a project in which several possible choices are studied, participants can use it in order to analyze stakeholders' opinions regarding the different alternatives, for instance, different technologies or foods, understand the reasons for their preferences and choices, highlight the criteria expected, identify synergies or concurrent concerns between stakeholders or criteria, provide several modes of decision, experts, consensus, and so on. The homepage of the tool, as well as an example of project concerning the choice between plant or animal-based diets, can be consulted online. Several scientific frameworks are used. Multi-criteria decision, since several alternatives are assessed regarding different criteria, such as environment, economy, and so on. Argumentation, since arguments in favor and against each alternative are stated. They replace, in a qualitative way, the numerical evaluations which are classically used. Databases, since the arguments collected and all the related metadata are structured and stored in a relational database. And finally, social psychology, since a score of collective attitude is computed for each alternative. Beyond state-of-the-art, several questions can be addressed using My Choice. Which are the pros and cons claimed for each alternative? What is expected by stakeholders? Why? Who makes the decision? How to reconcile divergent expectations? How much reliable are the information and the arguments stated? The tool relies on a client-server architecture. The end user can access it online through a web browser, either to model arguments or to visualize them and analyze them. Here is the link to an example of project, the vitamin project. From the homepage of the project, we can open the list of arguments concerning plant-based diets and animal-based diets for different criteria and aims listed on the left. We can see the details of arguments. We can consult different modes of decision, which updates the global attitude score. We can view which stakeholders express arguments for which criteria. We can list the set of properties evaluated with a color code, green, red, or orange, depending if they are always judged good, always bad, or both. The data can be stored either in a relational database on our server or in spreadsheet format, as shown here. Thank you for your attention.